Okay, right, Blake. Third time's a charm.
So this morning we were doing testing on Mia and Vinny's interview because we're kind of in a holding pattern to get approval on how our testing is for the marriage without delay form. So that's kind of where we're at.
Who are you waiting on for that?
I know we posted it in the Slack channel to have someone give a more high-level review of it, but
Right.
I'm not sure if we've identified someone in particular that we're waiting on.
Okay, so we need to identify.
So you worked with Katie Milton before, right? Marriage Without Delay. We're talking about Marriage Without Delay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you worked with her before. She's not on Slack, so that's probably the person. Oh,
we need a review of how we're doing testing. So
sorry.
It's more of like a Michelle or Maeve.
Gotcha.
Whoever is not too busy this week that's willing to do it.
Starting tomorrow. Go ahead, Maeve.
I have some free time tomorrow that I can have a look at it. So Michelle, maybe we can fight over that tomorrow morning.
Okay, let's fight over that tomorrow morning.
Okay, so by Stand Up tomorrow, you will have a high level review. As I said, I definitely defer to Michelle, who's better at testing, but I am capable of doing that. So, okay. Okay, Sam, how's it going with you? And I see Mark's just jumped on. How's it going with you two?
Pretty well, actually. This morning we've been going through all the new stuff that we learned yesterday, which was very helpful in the TC Tuesday. And we're gonna probably meet after the presentation and everything. We're gonna meet up again and probably just work as much as we can on banging out all the questions, making sure that everything sounds exactly how we want, and then we'll kind of worry about getting it onto the PDF later, because that seems to be another little bit of an issue for us, but we'll figure it all out.
So are you guys needing access to Acrobat?
That would help a lot, actually.
Okay, so I think Aubrey actually posted a link in the assembly line channel where she said how to contact Suffolk IT department and how to kind of get that set up. Did you guys try that?
I'll do that right now. I know she mentioned that the thing ends, I think I know she said it ends soon, but I'll give that a whirl right now.
Yeah.
Let's just give that a try. Otherwise, what we can do is we can link you guys up with somebody who has Acrobat.
Okay.
No names mentioned, but we will find somebody. Okay. Okay, keep on keeping on. Good job, guys. I was really impressed to see how much work you've been able to get through on Teaching Tuesday. So I'm excited to see what the next demo is. Okay, Mike and Tyler.
Hey, first off, Maeve, how are you?
Thank you.
We're good. I haven't spoken to Tyler yet today. I'm not sure where he is on the testing, but I'm pretty much gotten as far as I can on the what is it, consumer default project that I'm working on. I need to talk to Matt, I feel like, and just kind of get an idea of what he was trying to accomplish. So I've got that mapped out, and so just waiting to hear from him when we can meet with him.
Have you already contacted him?
I have not, no.
Okay,
I don't know if I have his contact information.
The best bet is to actually contact him on Slack and email. He's not always checking Slack now because he's not on the project. But if you I think his email is on his Slack. Otherwise, I'll just drop it to you after this.
Okay, I'll check that out.
Because that'll be great. I think he'd love to see like what you've done with the stuff that he prepared. And he will be able to give. Oh, thanks, Kate. Kate's just dropped it in the Zoom chat.
Perfect.
Okay, then we'll talk to Tyler about the testing and see where you guys are on that. Okay, Eric, did you have a chance to watch those videos yesterday?
I did the Hello World thing.
Oh yeah, how did it go?
It went pretty well. The tutorials are good. They're long, so I watched them on super speed. But what's helpful now is a kind of a sense of what work would be useful, so I can orient all the things that I'm learning.
Okay. So you're asking for a task to be assigned.
Do you want to join him to a team?
What about Sam and Mark's team? I mean, they're already, how would you guys feel about, getting a third member, Eric?
That's perfectly fine with me.
That's fine. Yeah, right now, the only thing I'll say is typically we work around, we'll like link up somewhere between 9 and 10 a.m. and then we kind of work until the meeting. So if that works for him for what we've been doing, otherwise we can work something else out.
Your Eastern time?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. That's when I want to do it.
Are you not on Eastern time, Eric?
I'm GMT +2. So that's
Me too.
like, oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, GMT +2. Okay. I'm basically functioning on Eastern.
We're like a bunch of hours, like 6 hours ahead.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so yeah, let's see if that's something that could work out. We maybe try it out for a week.
Yeah, so I'll send when me and Sam work on it today, we'll and loop him in on our video chat so he can see at least what we're doing on this thing.
Okay, perfect. That sounds good. I can hear voices, but I can't see any movement. Did everybody freeze, or was it me? I'm back. I don't know what happened there. Is everybody else back?
There she
Oh,
is.
she's back.
Sorry, I don't know what happened.
Are we gonna hit a rolling blackout?
No, not right now. We shouldn't. Touch wood. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so you guys are gonna link up, see how it goes for the next week or so, and then if it's not working out, then we can figure out something else for you, Eric.
Sure.
Okay, Mia and Vinny, how are you guys doing?
Well, the testing's going good. And I was doing the 209A testing this morning, and a lot of our tests have already been, we have 20 and 17 have been done. There's only 3 more if anybody else wants to sign up for those. And then, yeah.
And how, in terms of passing, how is the pass rate?
They're, for the majority, passing.
That's congratulations.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And are you going to work on the ones that haven't passed and then maybe re-put them out for retesting?
Yeah, I'm like going through and figuring out and resolving them.
Okay, that's good. That sounds good to hear. Okay, we'll just keep on again. Keep on doing that. So then we've got Finola and Sinead.
Yeah, so we were also doing 209A testing this morning, and we're also writing our test cases. So when we're ready for a review, should we just drop a ping in the testing channel?
Yeah, that's the best thing to do.
And then Mia, Shade and I can also help you with testing your form as well. So we can sign up for those rows that are left.
That's awesome. Thank you.
No worries.
Thanks, guys. Okay, and then it's just Eleni on for Eleni and the boys. You met with James and Jason yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah, we met yesterday, and like they were just trying to give me the rundown on how to do the scenario things with the new whatever. Mia checked it over real quick, and we're gonna meet again just so that I have a better understanding of everything, and that we can like finish editing and things like that.
Okay, so you're on track. I mean, I would love to see. I think we're gonna try and get me and Vinny's form demoed on Friday, and then I wonder if perhaps I don't know what the pointing one is, David. Oh, you're just going through them. Okay, you're muted.
I'm just practicing. Sorry. I'm trying to figure out where I have to stand to. Yeah.
Guys, this presentation is going to be wild.
Yeah, so it doesn't look like Paul Revere is like stabbing you or like patting you on the back.
So okay, so I'm wondering if I think the next demo we've got is going to probably be Mike and Tyler, just because they've already demoed it before and they're pretty far through. And then I'll put up like maybe a schedule to see. Basically, anyone who's testing right now is ready for demoing. Did I lose everybody there? No. No? Thanks, Jody, for the affirmation. So yeah, so basically everybody who's testing is ready for demoing. So I'll put up a schedule tomorrow sometime for maybe filling those slots, and then you'll be able to showcase the work and get feedback from everybody, which I think, as Mike might testify, is beneficial, a beneficial thing to do. Okay. We wanted to try and keep this as short as possible. Is there anybody else who wants to say anything before we jump off? Onto them. Yes, Jody.
I was just going to say thank you so much. All of the test scenarios for 209A are completed. So Kate and Caroline, whenever you guys are ready to go through and look at the PDFs, you guys crushed it. Thank you so much.
Kate, are you doing them now? You looking at them now?
At this moment?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. So some of them, yeah, because I've got some questions. We're going to have to do some more testing, but we're not ready yet. So
no, I can try to look at some. I have some like casework I have to do.
No, don't look. No, don't worry about it. I just thought there's boxes that said they passed, and I don't remember saying that they passed. But I was working late last night, so never mind. Don't worry about it. I was just thinking, are we working on the same ones? But that's okay. Nope. No problem.
And this is just like for the rest of you, like this is very normal with a big, you know, effort like this, a big project like this. The 209A is a beast. It's very common that you go through like 2, 3, 4 rounds of testing. So this is normal. What we're doing great, and you guys are really just awesome. So thank you for all the effort and the work. It's been awesome.
And that's why the tests are there, so that when the coders change the code and they say, I think this is working now, it can be confirmed and we can make sure that other things aren't affected. So that's why we need you there, so that as the code gets changed, we can make sure that that behavior is being addressed. So.
Okay, guys, we'll see you. For those of you who are joining us, we'll see you in a little bit. And otherwise, I'll keep in touch with you guys on Slack. Good job, everybody. Keep it up.
Hey, David, can you just remind us really quick where the link is for this presentation?